Hi guys, this is Akshita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. आज है एक नया एपिसोड और हम करने जा रहे हैं रिव्यू एक न्यू रीफॉर्मुलेशन का। और आज जो हम रीफॉर्मुलेटेड फॉर्मूला जिसके बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है none other than the most loved by all the bridal makeup artists and makeup artists. It stays very long, has stay in the name also. So I am talking none other than Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. So I've just got one shade because I wanted to give it a try. Although I have been already using the old formula, which is very nice for all the makeup artists because it stays in place. It's a nice matte foundation, gives a good coverage and also less is more in that foundation. So आज हमने सोचा कि हम बात करेंगे इस न्यू फॉर्मुलेशन के लिए। तो आइए चलते हैं, देखते हैं ये कैसा है। मैंने अभी तक इसे ओपन नहीं किया है because I wanted to try on camera and see my first reaction. So let's get it. So I've already prepped my skin, so that is why it looks very dewy and nice. So it is moisturized. Now I have to apply the foundation directly. So हम एक जगह ट्राई करेंगे कि हम कलर करेक्टर यूज करें और एक जगह हम यूज करेंगे half of the face will use only the foundation and see how the results are. This part of the face will be applying the primer and also color correction, and this part of the face will be using only foundation. And let's see the result. Any amount because I don't want too much, and I want to see how does it fare on my skin. So this much is, I think, should be enough. So Estee Lauder is the brand which owns a lot of other brands also, and not many people know that other famous brands are also part of Estee Lauder. So I believe this is amazing because you are the ultimate king of the market. So यहाँ मैंने बहुत lightly color correct किया है, and this part of the face I have not put the primer or anything, just the moisturizer. And now we will be using the shade itself and see how does it work. And also, first impression, the bottle is nice and amazing, but I'm sure there's no pump. Still, there's no pump. So this is the old packing of the Estee Lauder. I had two shades and it is well loved. You can see I'm almost done with this one, which is 3W Warm Tawny, and this is 1N Porcelain. So I use two and I make the shades for the brides accordingly because I think it's better to always use two shades, one a little darker and one little fair, so that you can make a list of the colors and balance out. So now we have the new finish. This was really thick foundation and a super matte foundation, so it was not suitable for mature skin, जिनके fine lines हो और skin में aging होती है, तो उनके लिए I would not recommend this shade. Oh, क्या लग गया? This वाला range, the old range, because it used to cling on the fine lines and everything. So I hope कि ये जो नया formula हो वो better हो, and also a little detail. Wow, I'm just taking a little. Okay, first impression. The old Estee Lauder formula, ये थोड़ा रनी है, looks a little sheer and more liquidy. तो अब देखते हैं. I'll just do a little swatch. Oh, nice. Amazing shade match. So if anyone is close to my skin, I am olive tone and medium. So my shade is 4N1 Shell Beige, and I guess this looks nice. So compared to the old one, this looks amazing. Has a nice soft coverage, soft matte कह सकते हैं इसको. And हाँ, old के comparison में थोड़ा extra product use हो सकता है, but I think again it's a nice formula, and आधे से एक pump के अंदर you can get this much of coverage, which is like decent. I cannot see my pigmentation or any acne, thing. Yes, यहाँ मैंने layer किया है, तो you can see more coverage over here compared to this one. I personally like this coverage, but if you're someone who likes full coverage, or if you are someone जिसको थोड़ा thick coverage पसंद है, I think आपको भी पसंद आएगा ये. Since we will contour, we will put blush, and we will see how does it look. And also, guys, excuse me, I just played a lot of Holi, so do a wild combo of these two shades for my blush. देखते हैं कैसा होता है. ये वाला बहुत ज्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, तो इसको तो मैं हाथ से यूज करूंगी, मतलब I mean हाथ पे लगा के यूज करूंगी, नॉट डायरेक्टली बिकॉज रिस्की है. फर्स्ट आई ब्लेंड दिस वन. नाउ देखा आई एम सोल्ड Estee Lauder. Then you know. And I think जहां हमने कलर करेक्ट नहीं किया था वहां पे भी it has a pretty good coverage. I mean देखो, यूजुअली मेरा ये एरिया थोड़ा सा डार्क हो जाता है, इसमें भी थोड़ा सा आई कैन सी, बट कंपेयर टू what I've been seeing and using on myself, I think this is pretty good. अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. So beautiful bronze, my old trusted shade. ये थोड़ा सा warm है, but I like my contour to be lit warm, and it's okay for me. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I will blend this formula first because this is quick drying formula. So I don't want to. And using the same brush to blend without primer, no color correction, only the foundation, the contour, and the highlight. Products like contour, blush, etc. I think both of them looking nice, and I really like this one. That is my personal opinion. I like this part way more than this part. I'm not a little heavy coverage girl, but let's just keep rolling, set everything and see how does it work. Using a powder, I'm using from Huda Beauty, and I'm using a brush because I feel if it's a matte foundation, we don't really need much of powder. So very lightly, I'm just. भाई क्या फिल्टर लगाता है ये पाउडर, तो सबको लगता है हम फिल्टर लगाते हैं. I'm going to leave this part to be as it is because I like the glow on my cheeks. And इधर भी देखो पाउडर से सेट करते ही the sheen has gone. Only this part is sheen and this is matte. So overall liking it. Not taking extra powder here because I want to keep it like that. तो अभी हमने कोई हाइलाइटर नहीं अप्लाई एंड स्टिल माय फेस इज लुकिंग नाइस, हाइड्रेटेड एंड अ लिटिल ग्लोई. सो मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत नहीं ऐड करेंगे, जस्ट अ टाइनी हियर. मैं क्विकली अपने आईब्रोज एंड आई फिनिश करके आती हूँ एंड देन आई विल गिव माय फाइनल वर्डिक्ट. आई absolutely like the glow. See, मैंने कोई हाइलाइटर नहीं लगाया except my nose and eyebrow bone, but still my forehead looks very nice and shiny, dewy. Of course, I've just use किया है हमने powder on the under eyes because that is always needed. And anyhow, the layering was magical. The finish is amazing. I think it's overall I really like this look. And you know, जो पुराने Estee Lauder के साथ होता था, which I personally feel in my experience, the way I used it, it was very difficult to minimize the texture when यार ये टिकना ही नहीं चाह रहा आज. Whenever I used the old Estee Lauder formula, it used to give or enhance the texture on the face. But as far as this one is concerned, this is actually adding a nice glow on my face. मुझे मेरे pores भी उतने accentuated नहीं लग रहे. So overall, I really like this formula. I think on the bridals also it will look amazing. It will look nice and also give extra glow. Personally, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया because मुझे ऐसे formulas पसंद है rather than using the full matte foundations. So I, on my personal experience, I will give 10 on 10. Just यार पंप भी दे दो यार, पंप भी दे दो. अब तो ये और यूज होने वाला है. ये से गिर जाता है इतना सारा एक साथ. पंप दे दो Estee Lauder please. Other than that, it's an amazing formula. You should give it a try. Try your own shade, try on yourself and then on your bride so that you feel confident. आपको पता है कि भाई मैं क्या दे रही, rather than just watching something and then just putting directly on the brides. Never do that. Always experience that beforehand, before applying on the brides on their big day. Use a product on yourself, on the models and everyone, and then only use in your bridal kit. I would really say, in my experience, never use a product directly on the client. It's always good to have an experience beforehand so that आपको पता है कि अगर ये इधर उधर गया तो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. Other than that, it's an amazing formula. Give it a try. Go buy Estee Lauder. Tell me if you love it. Tell me if you like it. And if you recreate this review, मुझे भी tag करना. I will also see how do you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it. If you like my lipstick also, I'll just link it down and we'll make a detailed video on how to do good lips. See, my teeth are looking so nice with this lipstick. Okay, so guys, see you soon. Till then, thank you so much for watching. See you all. Take care.